Hi guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select System and Update, and here click on Backup. And once you want to activate Backup with Google One, click on Turn On. And that's it. As you can see, it is active. And then your backup would be done automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. You can also backup it right now by tapping on Backup Now. And obviously, if you have your account added before, it will just go smoothly as it was in my case. However, if you are not logged in yet, you will have to provide your email address or a phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. So it will take like 1 minute more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.